Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody's having a great start to their summer. I know we are. We're getting ready to go on vacation. Not sure when this video is coming out, so we might already be on vacation and we might have already be back. Our community recently had their yard sale, community yard sale. Every year we usually crush this yard sale. Not this year. This year was actually really bad. Not sure why. We actually set up for the yard sale also to sell some stuff, and we actually did really good selling. Now, I went out to go find some stuff and to buy some stuff. I really didn't find much. I was thinking to myself, I'm gonna get a bunch of footage and all that fun stuff, but there was honestly nothing to film. We picked up a couple things, which I will show you guys some clips here shortly of that stuff, and that's about it. It was very disappointing this year. We did videos for previous yard sales also that have been really good, but this one, garbage. I just don't know. And it wasn't even that people had, it was not a lot of people set up, and some of the people that did, the prices were just so high, or it was just really bad junk. But let's show you some of the stuff we got, because the first house had some free stuff, so let's get to that one. Okay, first one of the day, and it's all free stuff. Let's see what we got. I don't know what that is. We might take that. Computer, monitors, and a heater. Let's see what we could take. So some of the free stuff here that you saw in there, maybe. This was a Temple Square, Salt Lake City, Utah plate. It's kind of older. I'm trying to picture this here. I don't see a date on it, but it's kind of cool. I'm not sure how much it will go for, but I figured for free I was grabbing it. We also grabbed these 4 Beverly Hillbillies VHS tapes from Columbia House Video. These actually do semi-decent, and for free, hey, I mean, I'll get something for them. These things right here, which kind of shocked me. We had Zoo Tycoon 2 and Roller Coaster Tycoon 2 for the PC. Now, these games actually do pretty well together. Now that really shocked me, guys, because honestly I did not think PC games sold. I knew some of them did, but I didn't realize these ones did. So take a look when you're out at thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, estate sales. You might find some of these laying around. One of the other things that I almost bought, and I'm going to pop a picture up probably over here, give myself some room for that picture, was a Chuck Norris. This was like a frame 16 by 20 picture of Chuck. Beckett certified. Everybody knows Chuck's getting up there in age. It was a really cool piece, and if you're a fan of Chuck Norris, this was a cool thing, but the guy wanted 200 bucks. If he would have got down to about 100, I would have taken it. Those pieces go for about 260 to 300, so I wasn't going to take the risk of dropping 200 on it just to make 100. Because after fees and taxes, it's not going to be much. And it'd honestly be a pain to ship, too, because of all that glass. So I left it behind. Maybe next year the guy will have it again. Maybe the price will be lower. Also, at one of the other local sales, we picked up 2 things. I'm going to show you one here, which is in the garage. We picked up this Andrew McCutcheon 16 by 20 framed and matted. We paid $20 for this item, and another item is downstairs. Along with this jersey right here, this is a Ben Roethlisberger 2XL Nike jersey. This is like the color wave, or I cannot remember what they call this shirt, but yeah, I'm actually going to keep this for personal use along with the photo upstairs, because I will wear this to the game and whenever I go to one a year. We were also able to pick up some of this Disney Scentsy stuff. Guys, Disney and Scentsy mixed sell pretty well. We were able to get these right here, these little, I guess they're the Scentsy bars. We were able to get the Villains, Little Mermaid, Lion King, another Little Mermaid, and the Villains. So pretty cool on those. We were also able to get this Cinderella Scentsy mini warmer. We were able to get this Disney Cinderella mini Scentsy warmer, this Dumbo Scentsy buddy, the Disney Drive-In Scentsy warmer, and the Dumbo Scentsy warmer. We were able to grab all that total for $55. One of those alone will sell for 50 bucks. So if you guys ever see the Disney Scentsy stuff out there at a decent price, pick it up. We actually made an offer on this lot here because that was about all the money I had left on me. I did leave one thing behind. Probably should have maybe tried to make an offer to get the rest of that, but I'm happy with what we got here. So we were also able to pick up some shirts too at the sale. I'm going to show you which ones they are here. Keeping with the Steelers theme here, we picked up a Troy Polamalu, which I might have just washed the tag too. But this is a woman's jersey. This is a size medium. Yeah, we picked this up for 50 cents. So really good deal here. Should not have a problem moving this here soon or in the next few months with football season coming up. Again, another football item. Troy Polamalu t-shirt size medium. Another little, I guess, a women's shirt here. Picked this up for I think 50 cents or a quarter. So this was also from 2009. So I don't. This will not have a problem selling it here. And the last piece of clothing we actually picked up at the sale. We picked this up at a church sale. It charged me $2, but I was okay with that. It is on the Lee Sport, and I feel like I've picked one of these up before. I think it might have been a Jacobs Field one, but this is a Cleveland Indians sweatshirt, size large, so pretty good size there. It's dated 1998, so it's got a nice little fade to it and some perfect use. So yeah, for $2, I wasn't leaving it there. So the last item was probably our find of the day at this community sale, and let's show you what they are. They are the Nike Air Penny 2s Varsity Blue. These shoes are pretty awesome. I really wish they were my size. They are size 11. He said they were worn twice. The condition is actually really nice on these things. The only one on eBay right now in size 11 is it's sitting at $150. So we listed them at $104. We figured we only have $10 into it, and if we can move these pretty quick, it takes up less space in the bins. But yeah, these are some pretty awesome looking shoes. Also, with that being said, I normally do not pick up shoes. I'm not a shoe seller. Sometimes selling shoes are just not what I like to do. But with these ones, I had to pick them up and take that chance. For $10, I've wasted $10 on worse things. So guys, that was everything we found. Like I mentioned at the beginning, there was just not much at the sale. Not a lot of people were selling stuff, so we didn't have much. But I wanted to put something together just to show you what we found, because like I've mentioned in previous videos, every time you go out, you're not going to find something. Sales are just not going to be that good, or some of the stuff people are selling is not something you're looking for. There could be a lot of people out there looking. They're going to look for certain things, and you look for certain things. So you have to take the good with the bad and just realize not every day is a winner. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned. We'll have a bunch more videos coming up for you guys shortly and some fun stuff. So till next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.